The Intex Mariner 3 Inflatable Boat Review. The Intex Mariner 3 Inflatable Boat, incredible for sailing or angling with companions. This spacious Pro Series vessel is intended for 3 adults. The Intex Mariner 3 vessel got everything required for that ideal day on the water. So you can see the environment and land all your fish at the same time. For such a minimal effort, this tough yet versatile vessel is thought to be the best estimation of any 3-man inflatable pontoons out there. Get yours today and exploit this low cost. Features of the Intex Mariner 3 inflatable boat. 2 angling pole bar holders at each finish of the watercraft for sans hands fishing. 2 swelled seat pads with new agreeable rectangular outline. 2 paddle holder to store paddles when not being used. Inflatable bottom for enhanced control and taking care of unbending floor is ideal for angling. Welded on paddle locks pivot around 360 degrees to make paddling this watercraft a breeze. 2 Boston valves on fundamental frame chambers make blowing up and collapsing the vessel quick. Snatch handle on the 2 finishes for simple conveying. Substantial side shake swatches secure against punctures. Seat and footstools. Rock-solid expelled plastic deck for solace and inflexibility. 2 angling pole holders. 2 inflatable frustrate seats. The Intex Sailor 3 inflatable watercraft is developed for preeminent quality and toughness with super tough trademark signed PVC. Isolate layers. 2 external layers of substantial check PVC overlay to an internal layer of polyester work for additional support. Storage capacity. Engine mount fittings. Paddle holders incorporates repair fix expanded size 9 feet 9 in x 4 feet 2 in x 1 foot 6 in. People limit 3 most extreme weight limit 880 pounds, engine 2 kilowatt horsepower. Safety features. 2 Boston valves on fundamental structure. 2 external layers of substantial check PVC work for additional fortification all around. Get line and rubstrick. 1 outfit pocket and 1 battery pocket. Get handle on the 2 closures. Welded on rotational paddle locks. Pros. Snatch handle on each finish of the vessel for simple conveying. Engine mount fitting. Developed of super extreme covered vinyl that is exceptionally impervious to harm from scraped spot, effect and daylight. 2 angling pole holders and inflatable obstruct seats. Engine mount fittings and paddle holders. 2 angling pole holders for a relaxed day on the lake. Brisk fill, quick flatten Boston valves. 660 pounds. 300 kilograms most extreme weight point of confinement. Cons. Not the most convenient inflatable available and genuinely substantial. Conclusion of Intex Mariner 3 inflatable boat. One major thing that we should feature is the cost. The Intex Mariner 3 person is a shabby inflatable watercraft, however offers a great deal for the cash. Moreover, when you unroll these sheets into the base of the pontoon, they bolt into the right spot. When you air up the sides, the board begins shaping an inflexible floor. One final astonishing component is the capacity to fit into the sack even after you utilizing it. To snatch handles on each bow and an inside and out get line are accommodated your comfort, and in addition paddle holders and rotational paddle bolts, a US drift guard ID, and a repair fix pack. Likewise included are 254 in aluminum paddles and an Intex high yield pump for simple swelling and emptying. For a limited time, you can Intex Mariner 3 inflatable boat in your hands in just a few days by clicking the special link below in the description area. Please subscribe our channel to inflatable boats news and reviews. Please don't forget to click the bell icon to notify the latest videos.